Here are the community updates for August 15th. Kent County's rate of new COVID-19 cases has declined since last week, the Kent County Health Department reported on Wednesday. The decline comes as the county gears up for the fall season, with the department recommending face covering use in school for students in kindergarten and up. An average of about 36 new cases per day were reported by the KCHD over the last week, compared to an average of about 50 new cases per day the week prior. In addition, the county's percentage of tests coming back positive, known as the test positivity rate, has come down to 2.2% from 2.9% the week before. Despite the county's success in reducing the spread of the virus over the last month, London expressed concern about what's happening on the other side of the state. In the Metro Detroit area, its test positivity rate ranges between 4.5% to over 7%. To ensure Kent County's continued success with slowing the virus's growth in the area, the KCHD recommends students in kindergarten and up wear face coverings in school buildings if going the in-person learning route. Already, the state of Michigan is requiring face covering use for students from the 6th grade and up, for those medically able to, per Governor Whitmer's Michigan Safe Start Plan and executive orders. The director acknowledges there are students medically unable to tolerate face coverings. He encourages families with such students to pursue virtual learning options for now in light. Grand Rapids Public Schools has already committed to online-only classes for the first 9 weeks upon its district's late August return. Not all schools in Kent County, however, such as charter and private schools, are forgoing in-person learning. Colleges and universities in the area, such as Grand Rapids Community College and Grand Valley State University, will still be having in-person classes, in addition to online-only and hybrid options. Another area college returning with in-person classes in the fall is Kendall College of Art and Design. Like other area colleges, KCAD will be offering online-only and hybrid model classes in addition to in-classroom learning. The college shared more details with the students and the community last week about what life will look like inside its buildings when its classes start on August 31st. As is the norm for educational institutions in the state, face coverings will be required for KCAD's on-site students, in addition to the urgent of frequent hand sanitizing and reorganization of student spaces to promote physical distancing. Other expectations include reduced class sizes, the closure of its bookstore, and designated directions for stairways. The Art and Design Focused College will also be releasing an electronic symptom checker accessible from smartphones, computers, and tablets. All students will be expected to complete this electronic symptom checker daily before coming to campus. Future updates on KCAD's fall semester plans and protocols will be available on its website. With ArtPrize 2020 called off this year due to pandemic concerns, a coalition of community organizations from Grand Rapids are currently developing an alternative arts and cultural event for the downtown area to take place in the fall. Called The Bridge, the event's planned for September 26th through October 3rd will feature public art, local musicians, food, and more. It aims to energize the local economy amid countless business closures in the area and reconnect the community after months of canceled social gatherings. Developing the event are the City of Grand Rapids, Downtown Grand Rapids Incorporated, Experience Grand Rapids Art Museum, Grand Rapids Chamber, and others. $50,000 has been allocated by the City of Grand Rapids for the event, with the funds originally planned for ArtPrize 2020. Further details from the Bridge's organizers are still forthcoming. Present details are available in the City Commission's Tuesday meeting's agenda. The Rapidian encourages local residents to share their own stories related to civic, economic, and public health developments in the Grand Rapids area on the Rapidian's platform. To get started as a community reporter, visit therapidian.org/write. This update is brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Please take care of yourself and take care of others.